Your girl slept her entire Sunday away, so now I'm going to be up late night meal prepping and then probably tired for work tomorrow. I decided to add some lemon juice to that mixture too. I'm almost done. I'm so proud of myself. I was gonna find every excuse not to get back up, but I'm back. Literally, I think it's only been about 30 minutes. Last dish, and then I could get back in the bed. Guess who finished meal prepping in under an hour? I did. Dinner this week is like my mac and cheese, my vegan crab cakes, and I'll do different veggies each day, either spinach, kale, or zucchini. Pasta for lunch each day this week is spinach, onions, lemon juice, seasoning, all that good stuff. With a side of avocado, my apple slices, oatmeal for breakfast, blueberry oatmeal. I'm only doing 3 magnesium powders this week, my 5 apple cider vinegar teas, and then my 5 fruit juices for the week. I did it. Good night.